Okay, tank view. So I put the camera right there. Camera right there. Okay. I accidentally broke the tank lid 2 years ago, in 2018. Yep, I accidentally broke the tank lid. Yep. People was me in 2009. On scene. Looks like 2013. So here we go. Okay. Yep. Tank's filling up, guys, so yeah. Just 1 second, and yeah. I accidentally broke the tank lid. Accidentally, because I didn't watch where I was going. Come on, hurry. Because I had to hurry, because my time is running out of storage. Okay. 1 second, guys. Be quick. Since my tablet's running out of storage, guys. Okay, put the stuff back there. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Alright. Bye guys.